Okay, welcome back, folks. This is Imran Iqbal from Imran Iqbal One-to-One Tutor on YouTube, the home of mathematics, 11 plus and GCSE. So please join me on my channel to benefit from thousands of pounds worth of free tuition videos, and we're about to start one right now. Okay, so today our topic is reading a scale. I'm helping primarily my own students to have some revision on this topic when they're doing their homeworks and to help generally all students. So let's get started without any further delay. So reading a scale is all about calibration. We need to calibrate, we need to work out what each little step is worth. So let's jump into the first question. So we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're counting in ones on the big scale. Now, what we have to also realize is on the little scale over here, we have 10 little intervals. So in order for us to work out what each little bit is, so we got to get our 1 from 0 to 1. We're going up by ones. All of them is going up by ones. We have to then divide it by the 10 little intervals in here. So 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. So in this particular question, each little jump is 0.1 jumps. We're not counting in ones or twos or fives or tens or hundreds. It's 0.1. So let's practice counting in 0.1s and fill up the answer at the same time. Let's go to this for the moment. And that, let's get cracking with some questions. So we have naught. Whoops, oh, that's a bit too fat. We have naught, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. This is 1, the big one here, the 1.1, 1.2, and then that's 1.3. So we have 2, 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 2.5. 3, and then add 0.1, that gives you 3.1. And that will give you bang on 4. And that will be 2 less than 5, which will give you 4.8. So that's a scale that starts at 0, nice and straightforward. Let's have a look at another reading scale, but where the jumps are not in 0.1s. So let's grab this scale here. It doesn't start at 0, it doesn't need to start at 0. So let's have a look. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is what you have to establish first. What are the big intervals in? So the big intervals are going up in tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, again, we have the big intervals have been divided into 10 little sections. So we got 10 at the top divided by 10 little sections. So that means each little section represents about 1. So we'll be counting in ones. Right, let's get rid of this. Let's start counting in ones now. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 28. Okay, this one is 30, 31, 32, 33. This one is 1 less than 40, so that will be 39. It's not 0.1s, it's counting in ones. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. That one's 50, and one more than 50 is 51. Okay, so the first question we were counting in 0.1s. In the second question that we attempted, we're counting in ones. So the scale isn't always the same. You have to establish what each little bit stands for. Let's move it up a gear to the next question. Okay, again, the question doesn't always start at the 0. Let's grab a non-zero one. Let's grab this one. So we're going from 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. Boom, 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 boom. We are now counting. The big numbers are going up in hundreds. 800, 900, 1000. So Again, we look at the how many little segments we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little bits. So we have the 100 on the top divided by the 10 little increments, which gives us 10. So now we're not counting in 0.1s or ones, we're now counting in tens. So let's get rid of this for the moment. Let's start counting in tens. 800, 810, 20, 30, 40, 850, 900, 910, 920, 930. That's 10 less than 1000. So that would be 990. That's 10 more than a thousand, 1010. That's 1100 exactly. 1110, 20, 30, 40, 40. And this one is 10 less than 1200. So it'll be 1190. Okay, now, in order to make this lesson, this video even better, if you screenshot this first page and you screenshot the second page, you can then have a go at doing the questions, whether it's on your iPad, your phone, or you print it out, and then wait for it. I'm going to count to 5, and then I'm going to give you the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I move up, and now have a set of answers that you can use to mark it. So not only have we introduced the topic to you, we've given an opportunity for you to engage in the exercise, do it yourself, and then when you finish, you're ready, you press pause first to do the exercise, then you press play, and then the answers will automatically load up into the video, and we have nice, lovely answers that you can pause and mark your work. So then you can pause and mark your work. So you have a nice full lesson in a very short video. I hope this video helped. If you like these videos, please come back to my channel, which is Imran Iqbal 1-to-1 Tutor on YouTube, where you'll find over 1,000, I think it's over 1,200 videos which are paid videos of tuition that have been recorded for everybody to benefit from, whether you're getting stuck on fractions, algebra, negative numbers, vectors, we're doing GCSE maths, SATs papers, 11 plus topics of verbal reasoning, non-verbal, whatever you're looking for, you will find on this channel, and you'll find it for free. So please take advantage of that. If you like the videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Until the next video, keep on smashing it, keep on being confident in maths.